Hello everyone. Welcome to TELLS Videtionary. Today, November 24th, our word of the day is whet. W-H-E-T. Whet. Whet is a four-letter word and a verb. Remember, verbs are words that show action, occurrence, or state of being. Whet is to sharpen or make keener, stimulate. You could whet a knife's blade with a whetting stone, or you could whet your appetite by having some Doritos. Similar words include hone, sharpen, incite, kindle, pique, stimulate, edge, file, finish, grind, strop, animate, awaken. Examples of sentences using whet are: the aroma of frying bacon whetted my appetite. A really good catalog can also whet customers' appetites for merchandise. Stones whet a sword, difficulties strengthen willpower. Frankly, my appetite is somewhat whetted by his argument. Don't eat too much of this dish, it's only to whet your appetite for the main course. He acted the fool, losing at first to whet their appetites, but in an hour emptied his 3 victims' purses. Make sure to save this new word, whet, so you can practice using it in your everyday sentences. That's all for today. Thank you for spending your time with me. I hope you learnt something new. Don't forget to like and share this video, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you receive similar videos every day. Have a fulfilling day. See you tomorrow. Cheers.